Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review written by one of our valued customers. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we'll work hard for you too. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions or let us know how we can serve you.